Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make clove and rosemary hair butter, whipping butter. So I'm going to start by weighing the cloves and rosemary. Clove contains a lot of beneficial properties that help stimulate hair growth. It is packed with essential nutrients that strengthen the hair and also help in combating dandruff thanks to its antifungal and antiseptic properties. Rosemary is also one of those plants that help in the circulation of blood, and we know that a good blood circulation promotes hair growth. So for this video I'm making a 250-gram batch, and I'll be leaving the measurements. I'm going to leave the formula in the description area so you can check it out in the description area, because I won't be leaving it here on the screen. So just check the description area for the measurement. So after weighing my rosemary and clove, the next thing is to measure the oils and the butter I will be using for this recipe. I'm using shea butter for this recipe. We know how superb it is for hair care. It is rich in vitamins A and E. It helps to seal in moisture to the hair by forming a protective barrier on the hair. I'll also be using grapeseed oil. It is rich in antioxidants, it strengthens the hair, and it's a good carrier oil. It's good to help infuse your plants. Another wonderful oil I'm using is olive oil. I think olive oil is underrated. This oil is so good for the hair. It is packed with nutrients and properties good for the hair. So after adding my oils, adding the clove and rosemary, I'm going to cover it up with a cling film since I'm melting it in a water bath and I do not want water entering my products. So while waiting, I'm going to go ahead to measure my essential oils and antioxidants. I'm using clove essential oil. Since essential oils are more concentrated, I'll be using clove essential oil. I'll also be using rosemary essential oil and peppermint essential oil. So I'm packing this hair butter with lot of good stuff. So I'll also be adding a preservative. I know this is an anhydrous product, meaning that it doesn't contain water, but adding a preservative like Optiphen is good for anhydrous products, which will help prevent the growth of bacteria, yeast, and mold. Note, this is optional, and if you want to use a preservative for products like this, use Optiphen and not Optiphen Plus. There is a big difference. Okay, so lastly I'll be using Tocopherol, which is vitamin E. It is an antioxidant that prevents the product from oxidation, from going rancid. The oil is ready, as you can see. So what I'm going to do now is to strain the oil and transfer it in another container, because I'll be using this container later, so I prefer a container like this. And when it's ready, I'll be putting it in the freezer to solidify. As you can see, the oil has solidified. Now I'll be using an electric mixer to whip my butter. I'll also be adding my essential oils, Optiphen, which is broad spectrum preservative, and vitamin E, and I'm gonna mix again. Our clove and rosemary hair butter is ready, and as you can see, I've transferred it in a clean and airtight container. We've come to the end of this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. The formula is in the description area, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Ciao ciao.